In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Monday.com. Whether you're just getting started with Monday.com or you're already familiar with its many features, importing data is a fundamental skill that will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com. You can do this through any web browser of your choice. Once the homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the login button. Go ahead and click that. If you're already logged into the platform, you might get redirected straight to your dashboard. Otherwise, you'll need to sign in. There will be a few options for logging in. You could either sign in with Google, which is a quick and secure way if your Google account is connected, or you can manually enter your email address. Choose the option that best suits you. If you picked the Google login, you'll see a list of your Google accounts next. Simply select the account you'd like to use to log into Monday.com. Once you're on your Monday.com homepage, cast your eyes to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your avatar. Hover over this and the avatar should become interactive, allowing you to click on it. A menu will appear offering various options. From this menu, find and select the Import Data option. Clicking this will bring up another menu which provides several mediums through which you can import your data. For instance, if you've got a dataset in Microsoft Excel, choose the Excel option. This action will open an upload screen tailored specifically for Excel files. Here you can see guidelines on how to proceed with importing your files. To initiate the upload, you have two options. You can either click on the Click to Browse link, allowing you to search your computer for the right file, or you can drag and drop your file directly into the designated box on the screen. This is particularly handy if you have your file readily accessible on your desktop. Once your file has successfully uploaded, a notification will pop up on the screen to confirm the upload. You're almost done. To complete the process, you'll find an option that says Customize your new board. Click on this to ensure that your data is correctly imported into your Monday.com workspace. And that's it! You've successfully imported data into your Monday.com board. This simple process can help streamline how you manage tasks and projects, making your experience much more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing with Monday.com.